at the Embassy Suites near USF in Tampa, Florida. And you may remember these being northern elevators, but look what's happened to them.
Yep, they're Kones now.
Yep, they are Kone. This really is unfortunate.
Yeah, and he's
And
just
they
got.
Bruiser now too.
They just got modded like 2 years ago, right?
Yes. Here we go. And of course you still have your very nice Embassy Suites style atrium. Which, in case you didn't know, by the way, they don't make Embassy Suites with atriums anymore.
Yeah, not anymore. According to what I've seen, this place was built in 1998.
I've seen that on some sites, but I've also seen some sites that say 2006 as well.
I think that's the one downtown. That one's 2006.
I don't know. I think that one was 2004. That I could be wrong.
It might be somewhere around that time.
If these were from 98 though, the fixtures were very ahead of their time because they had blue buttons and everything.
Yeah, agreed. Yeah, notice how like the indicator, before the car even started, it already changed to 8.
That's typical of Kone's as well as Schindler's.
Yeah.
I will say though, as useless and unhappy as I am about this mod, they actually did a pretty solid job with it.
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna look at the cab.
Indicator goes all the way down to 5, like immediately.
There's James.
There's Julian.
The cab, I believe, is the same as it's always been.
Yeah, it hasn't really changed, I don't think.
Some of the lights are burned out.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll take this one up for another spin.
Alright, let's see if we don't stop at like a bunch of floors.
Yeah. Alright, I'll stand in the back.
Alright, all the way up.
That's the interlock. Going down. One.
Yeah, there's the lock up there. I guess now I'll stand in the back of the cab.
Yeah. And you can hear the new EcoDisc motor. I think it's a mini space motor, probably.
Yeah. Also, I like how there's like lights on the outside of the elevator.
Yeah, that was very common back in the 80s and 90s.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
They look a lot cooler at night.
Oh yeah.
Like I've been here a couple times at night. It's like it's a different experience.
Oh, it just switched to 3 before.
I think we're
moved.
stopping at 3. Oh wait, no, we're not.
I think we'll get off at 8 if you're okay with that.
Yeah, we can do that.
And we can check the service car.
Yeah, these indicators, sometimes I can't tell what's going on with them. It's like it went to 3 and then switched to 4 and kept going.
And
All right.
I'll show an outside view of the elevators before I end my video.
I'm gonna do the same.
Well, the elevator lobby looks the same aside from the new call buttons, but
Yeah.
definitely tell they're not
So over here is the atrium.
Oh, and the elevator's still sitting there.
Yep, it's still right there. And you can see another one all the way down on 1.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, that'll be it for my video.